My name is Gantara and today you will learn how to get traffic to your website. Let's start with the basics. There are two main types of website traffic, organic and paid. Organic traffic refers to site visitors coming from search engines like Google or Bing, and paid, well, it speaks for itself. This traffic lands on your site through advertisements such as Google Ads, Facebook Ads, promoted links, and other paid methods. Organic traffic is a long-term investment. Getting a site to rank on the first page of search engine results page is definitely not instant. You might not see significant results for months, especially if your site's niche is crowded. If you want to see immediate results, aim for paid traffic. You can set it up within minutes and receive more visitors on the same day. Although having instant results sounds nice, prepare to spend a lot of money on paid ads, particularly in competitive markets. Let's take a look at both organic and paid ways to drive traffic to your website. Consistently post on social media. Social media sites are a powerful tool to drive traffic to your site. Make sure your organic social media content is easy to share by embedding social sharing tools, but don't sit and wait around for people to share it. Be proactive and reach out to potential customers. Every time you upload new content, share it on social media sites. Create various types of content such as blog post snippets, infographics, photos, and videos. It costs nothing and can significantly increase traffic to your website. Here are some tips to promote your content on social media sites. Add visual elements. People are more likely to click on visually appealing posts. Use hashtags. Relevant hashtags make posts easier to discover and attract people interested in your niche, as they use specific hashtags to find desired content. Pick the right platform. Different social media sites have different target audiences. Older adults mostly use Facebook, while teens and people in their 20s tend to frequently use Instagram and Twitter. Try various sites to see which one yields the best results. Interact with followers. Keep your audience engaged by replying to comments people leave in response to your organic social media content. You can even include links to your site in your answers. Optimize your website for search engines. Well-implemented SEO best practices will help your website rank higher on search engine result pages and drive organic traffic to your website. A simple start to optimizing a website involves doing keyword research for its content. Through research, learn how many people search for specific keywords and how fierce the competition is. Determine which keywords to use to rank high among search results. After deciding which keywords to use, it's time to optimize the website. The optimization process can be divided into two categories: off-site and on-site SEO. Off-site SEO refers to anything you can do to boost the popularity of your website without tweaking it. When creating website content, make sure to focus on on-page SEO first. Here are some SEO tips on which elements to modify to improve on-page SEO for generating consistent traffic to your website. Title tags. Create catchy titles with keywords in them. However, they shouldn't contain more than 70 characters. Meta description. This is the short description of a web page shown under the URL in search results. A meta description should contain the main keywords so search engines and people can understand the page's content. Header tags. Break the content up into several sections using header tags for easy reading. There are 6 levels of headings from H1 to H6. Image alt text. This text describes images on the internet and helps search engine crawlers understand them. Screen reading tools also use this information to describe images to the blind. Make your site mobile friendly. If visitors have a bad mobile experience on your site, they might never come back and you may lose a huge portion of potential traffic. A mobile-friendly website should be responsive, which means it should automatically adjust the design based on the device screen size. Visitors will be able to browse through your website comfortably without having to scroll around. Try Google's mobile-friendly test to see whether your website meets the standards. Having a responsive website is also crucial for great SEO. Since Google has implemented mobile-first indexing, its bots predominantly use the mobile version of websites for ranking and indexing. Perform external link building. Gather as many inbound links or backlinks to your site as possible. You get these when other websites link to your site. Similarly, when you link to other sites on your site, they obtain backlinks from you. Collecting external links is important for driving traffic as it helps boost SEO performance. The more backlinks you get, the more credible your site appears to search engine bots. Here are some ways to gather backlinks to generate traffic. reach out to journalists and reporters. If you're an industry expert, connect with journalists seeking expert opinions. Offer them your knowledge, and you may even convince some publications to link back to your site, earning you some referral traffic. Swap backlinks. Reach out to fellow websites in your niche. Offer some of your site content to be linked within theirs, promising to link their content within yours in return. Connect with featured brands. If you often mention various brands in your posts, try contacting the companies after publishing the articles. Send them a message saying you have published a post discussing their product. The company may be willing to link back to your site. Link internally. Google uses both internal and external links to determine the value of a page. If there are many links to a page, Google deems that page important, and it will most likely rank well among the search results. When creating content, always insert several internal links to relevant articles within your post. For example, if your post is about starting a business, insert links to related articles you have written before, such as business tips or ideas. Another benefit of internal linking is that it improves website navigation and user experience, thereby making visitors more inclined to stay on the website. Here are some tips to help you build a strong internal linking structure. Write many articles. If you want to include many internal links within posts, you must have numerous content pieces to link to. Use natural anchor text. Incorporate the links into the content smoothly, using words already present in the article. Avoid writing a sentence just for the sake of inserting an internal link. Only link to relevant content. Make sure the internal links you provide are relevant to the article and that readers will find them helpful and valuable. Don't overdo it. Internal links may be helpful, but inserting too many may make the articles look messy and damage the user experience. Start email marketing campaigns. Engage with visitors by sending regular newsletters and promotions through email. Keeping in touch with people encourages them to revisit your site. To start an email marketing campaign, use email marketing services like MailChimp and Constant Contact. However, remember not to bombard subscribers with too many emails. Send out weekly or bi-weekly emails containing marketing campaigns, special offers, or other updates. Here are some email marketing best practices to increase website traffic. Make sure the emails are mobile friendly. This is important as around 50% of emails are opened on mobile devices. Create personalized emails. Include the subscriber's name to address them directly, appear more friendly, and develop their trust. Use attractive visual elements. Ensure the emails use aesthetically pleasing themes and eye-catching color palettes, inviting people to read the content. Take advantage of email analytics. Test out different email marketing strategies and track the performance to see which one works best. Implement an affiliate program. An affiliate marketing program is a partnership in which site owners pay people for sending them referral traffics or sales. The affiliates usually write articles about your product to convince their readers to purchase them. As the merchant, you will usually give every affiliate marketer a unique referral link or banner to place on your site. Then the marketer will receive a commission fee for every reader visiting your site via the link or banner. Before choosing an affiliate, know who your target market is. The affiliates or publishers must be appealing to your potential customers. Ideally, select people already liked by your target demographic. No matter what methods you choose to get traffic to your website, make sure to be consistent and have patience. In time, you will see more traffic to your site. I hope this video was helpful. Click that subscribe button if you're interested in more tutorials. Thank you for watching and good luck on your online journey.